Now that was just a tiny taste of the hundreds of videos we have on FabFitFun TV, and becoming a member gets you access to all of it. All right, I think we're ready. It is finally here. It's time for the special announcement that I promised you early on in the show. And here to share this really exciting news are our amazing co-founders, Katie Ann Rosen-Kitchens, Michael Brukeem, and Daniel Brukeem. Come on in, guys.
Hey.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
How are we doing today, guys?
Doing good. How are
I'm
you?
so excited to share this news with everyone. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'm going to let the three of you take it away.
So thanks, Natalie. First, let me start off by thanking all of you viewers for being a part of the FabFitFun family. We are so thrilled to be sharing in this incredible moment with you. Whether you are Gen Z, a millennial, a mom of three, or a fashion-forward 50-year-old, you are what truly makes FabFitFun.
Yes, we have members from all walks of life, from nurses to lawyers, software developers, police officers, makeup artists, and more. Your uniqueness and spirit is what really makes this company thrive.
FabFitFun has always been for everyone. We're so proud of our diverse member base and work every day to make this an exceptional experience for all of you. You are the reason we do what we do.
So today, we are announcing we have officially hit
1 million members! What's up, team? It's like our Times Square out there.
Yeah, New Year's Eve. All right, guys. Well, thank you all so much. We love and appreciate every single one of you.
Thank you.
And that's why you all are our member of the day.
All right, guys. In honor of this momentous occasion, we're gonna have a little bit of fun with you guys. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah.
I think you guys got this. All right, we're gonna have a little bit of a friendly competition, and because we are celebrating our million members today, we thought it would be fun to do a little throwback Thursday back to when you just had a couple members and you guys were fulfilling boxes yourselves. You guys remember that?
Yeah, less fun.
Yeah, less fun? All right, well, you're gonna have to pull that out, put that into good use, because what's gonna happen is the three of you are gonna be racing to build a very special edition FabFitFun box. We're gonna get you guys in position behind this table, so let's come around the table, stand behind a box.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, yes, ladies in the middle. All right, here's how the game works.
Oh.
Each of you have an empty box in front of you. You're going to run over to our uniquely curated product shelves over here.
No cheating.
You can only choose 3 items at a time. You want a total of 9 items in your box, and whoever gets back to their box and gets all 9 items first, scream out loud, call my name. Whoever gets first gets to pitch their unique box to our audience, and then our audience is going to decide on Facebook whose box wins. So we're going to take a look at these really special products. We want you guys to chime in below. Who do you think is going to win? We really want to know. So start writing your guesses while we take a look at some of these products. All right, we've got some poopery, and along with the poopery, we've got some toilet paper. I know these are not the typical FabFitFun products, but we're going to have a little bit of fun today. I think one of my favorites is the onion. See what you can do with that. We want a nice cohesive box. I want to see a theme here. We've got this beautiful Mike and Dan prop that we've used before. If you can make this fit into the box, I'll give you extra points. All right. Are you guys ready?
We're ready.
Choose wisely. Ready, set, go! All right. Oh, Mike is off to a quick start.
We could go
Oh, go 3 at a time. You need 9 total. We need a total of 9 products. All right, Mike is off to a head start. Hurry up, guys. You're falling behind. We're falling behind. Mike really wants this. What do we got happening in here? Oh, wow. We've got some really interesting things here. Okay. All right, keep it coming.
Oh, wow.
Let me know when you make it to 9.
I got it.
Mike is first. All right. All right, Mike. We're going to have you take this.
I don't know what this
Come in front of the table.
Is, but that's okay.
You want me to pitch the box?
You're going to pitch the box to our audience. You come first.
Okay.
No more products. Time is up, Dan. It's over. It's over. All right.
All right.
Let's see what we got.
Well,
pitch it to the people.
This is my first unboxing on FabFitFun Live, but I'm going to do the best I can.
You want me to hold it for you while you take out items?
I'll just turn it.
Here we go.
Yeah, here we go.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
So First, any great
No
FabFitFun
cheating.
box needs a hero item, and of course, we'll have a curling wand. This is a highly desirable item, something that's
nice.
perfect for any woman.
Not
Then,
for everybody.
not for everyone, but for a lot.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Inclusivity is a part of the
Absolutely,
judging
good point.
process.
Then I wanted
Looking out for
I
everyone.
wanted to go with something super practical. I actually love lint rollers because everyone has some lint on something every now and then, so this is always handy to have around. And it's not a FabFitFun box without something to relax with. So we have this Ahava, one of our favorite brands, eucalyptus-smelling
What is it,
bath
Mike?
salt.
Okay.
So you can relax in the bath tonight with my box. And this is another one of our favorite brands, an anti-wrinkle moisturizer by Juice Beauty. Another,
You got all the good products.
Juice Beauty uses the best ingredients. We're always very ingredient conscious here at FabFitFun, and so this is a home run here. Of course, it wouldn't be a FabFitFun box without a FabFitFun branded product. So we have this tea tumbler, which is awesome.
Good
Who doesn't
call.
like a tea tumbler? And we are in California, so we're going to have some hemp seed moisturizing oil spray.
Is it for our hair? Is it for the body?
It's for.
Read it off the label.
We want to know.
Yeah.
We want to know.
It's a
People want to know.
You know what? I think it's for your skin.
It's for your skin.
But I would try it on my hair too. You never know.
Why don't you do that right now?
I'm a tinker. I'm very experimental.
I love this.
Multi-use.
And then finally, no, not last, right? But
got a
classic
couple
pops.
more.
You got to have
What
some
products do
fun.
we have
What do you
here?
have in
This
here?
is gonna be the fun of the FabFitFun part. Some classic pops. You can pop it in the freezer and make your own pops. We actually did a product like this in one of our first summer boxes, and it was a home run. And then, this was already in the box, so I didn't put it in, but.
Yay!
And last but, oh no, wait, I got, oh
Yeah, you
wait,
got
sorry.
9, I counted
yeah,
for
I
you.
got another. This sheet mask, I love doing sheet masks. My girlfriend has taught me how to use a sheet mask appropriately, and so it's a huge hit, watermelon-styled sheet mask.
We love watermelon. Everything.
And last but not least, a homage to the idea that me and my brother, along with Katie, have been doing this together for a while, and so I wanted to have this prop for myself and be able to keep it. So I'm happy to have this. This is, I think it's 2 of a kind, to be honest, because Dan and I each had one of these in another game that we played. But if you got 1 of 2 limited edition,
That's true.
Mike and Dan face twirlers, I think it's a home run. I think we should definitely put this in the add-on sale next time too.
Oh,
By
for
the way, I
sure.
just want to point out that Mike did not actually close his box.
Oh, Katie
so
has hers.
imagine what would happen
Yeah, but-
if UPS had that and tried to get it to your door.
There's
Just
just so
saying.
much great stuff in my box that it wouldn't fit to close it.
I know,
and
but
so
you
we
would
wanted
never
to make sure
actually
we
get
wanted to
the
make sure
add-on.
we wanted to make sure we had all the best products. And
saying you wouldn't get the box.
if you want a sealed
so
box,
creepy.
maybe you could go with Katie's or
Right.
Dan's isn't
If you-
sealed.
if
but
you
if you
actually
want the
want
best
the stuff in
products,
your box.
go for Mike's box.
All right, thank you, Mike.
All right. I want to see what's in Katie's box. It's closed so
My
beautifully.
closed box,
Yes,
right?
come on up,
Correct? All
Katie.
right. My
Let's
closed
see what
box
you've
that
got.
would arrive safely to your doorstep with all of the products inside.
Yes.
Just gonna move over
You can
these
move.
nonsense products over here. All right, let's see what we have today. Ooh, and look at this beautiful tissue paper on
Oh.
top, how it's so
Oh, wow,
elegantly
look at
wrapped.
you.
I mean, my goodness, I wonder if someone has done this before. All right, so first off, we are going to start off with pre-heels, which is essential for any woman who likes to wear a heel. We all know how uncomfortably there's blisters, there's all of that stuff that happens. It's an insanely innovative product. You spray it on your foot before you put it on your shoe, and you will not get another blister. It's amazing. We're obsessed. You guys have seen it in add-ons. It sells out every time.
Yes,
It's so
Katie.
good. Number 2, another favorite brand. This works. You guys saw it, our deep sleep spray that put all of you to sleep, but they're not just about sleep. This is a mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. So it's actually 3 products that you're getting. Super multitasking. It's really like I'm giving you 12 products because this does so much right there. Also, it is FabFitFun. There is fit in our name. I don't see any fitness products
Oh.
in any other boxes.
Calling 'em out.
Jump roping burns more calories than anything else. I'm not going to attempt to do that in my heels today, but you guys know how awesome it is.
And of course, with mine and Dan's box, you get access to FabFitFun TV, so you
As
have
well
plenty of
as
workouts.
mine. But you won't actually have anything to do with it. You can watch our wonderful jump rope workouts and use the product inside the box. Next up, poopery, something I know that Mike and Dan both would enjoy in their lives because it keeps your bathroom smelling wonderful, something that we all need. An amazing Trestique lip color and cheek color. It's the perfect shade for all skin tones because my box is incredibly inclusive. Next up, we have Mr. Clean Magic Eraser because, I mean, why not? We're all cleaning things at some point. We have this wonderful spoon. Home is something that you guys love to see in your box. Who doesn't need something to stir their spaghetti with? I mean, come on. Next, we have this amazing beauty palette. Again, I'm just going to read this to you. For all skin tones and types to give you lush lips, full brows, and eyes so stunning they make people want to stop and stare.
Wow.
We all want that. Ooh.
Oh, it's a little slide.
Lots
Oh,
of
look
shades,
at that.
multi-use, really good. And because we can all use a little
Oh,
chocolate
yes.
and sugar rush in our lives because there's so much stuff to go through and we need to keep your energy up. A 5 snack size piece of Almond Joy as it is the day after Halloween.
Yes. Katie.
Oh, back up my box.
Oh boy.
Give you some
All right.
space.
We've got Tammy is pulling for Katie.
Obviously,
Jenny E
thank
wants
you,
Katie's
Tammy.
box.
Oh.
There
We
you
got
go,
a lot of love for
Jenny.
your box too. We got a lot of love. All right, we need some love for Dan. So let's see
Jenny,
what's
we
inside.
love you guys.
I'm
What's
not gonna
inside
lie,
Dan's
those
box?
were really, really good boxes, but I tried to do something different with my box, which was to focus on a theme here.
Okay.
And
Yeah, I
so
told you to focus
it's
on a theme.
it's a non-traditional FabFitFun box. I'll say that right off the get-go. But if you want to survive, this is the box for you.
Like survival
Survival box.
Survive anything.
Zombies
Anything. Right?
coming?
If you
Is the
order this
apocalypse?
box,
What's
if the
happening?
apocalypse comes, this is the box
Okay,
you want.
great.
Like
I'm
I
so
don't know
excited.
what you guys could do with those boxes. Those were great boxes. Not to put down the competition,
No.
but you would not survive. And I
Okay.
wanted to make sure that all of you could survive
I mean,
anywhere.
I don't know that
Let's
you
start
survived
with
Daniel's bathroom
the-
without the poopery, just saying.
I don't even know how to respond to that. First, we have one of the most essential keys to life here. We have fire.
That's fair.
That's
See
is
the
fair.
fire?
Fair.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
No
Imagine
fire.
all the utility you can have with this
true.
one flame,
True.
right? You
That's
can
true.
cook, you can warm yourself, you can
You can do a lot of things with
yeah,
fire.
you can do a lot of things with fire.
Yep.
Yeah.
If you need to cut your hair, you can just burn it off.
Another essential for the bathroom. Okay. Now, you wouldn't typically see this in a FabFitFun box, but if you had only one and you wanted to survive,
You would
this
need
would be
toilet
you would
paper.
probably want some toilet paper.
Yes, you would.
Okay. Let's keep going from there.
Yeah. Real collection of
This
items
is
in this
another
one.
essential to life. How many of you love peanut butter and
I
jelly
do.
sandwiches?
I do.
I just
Okay.
want to point out there's no jelly or bread in your box.
It doesn't
I
matter,
like
okay?
peanut butter by the
This
spoonful.
is
I'll give
the
you that.
first edition of the Survivor box.
Dan, we're not hearing anything
Yeah.
about the retail value of these
I,
products.
it's funny. I was actually just doing that calculation in my head because you paid $49.99
things
for
are-
$8.50 worth of product.
Do you hear the jealousy here? Okay? They just, didn't have the wherewithal to think of
Survival
a
is
priceless.
Yeah, survival is
Yes.
priceless. These are,
Right. Yeah.
yeah, invaluable.
Yep.
Okay. Who can live without an onion?
Take a bite, Dan. Take a bite. Oh my God.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
I mean, you do
Okay.
have fire to cook the onions,
Yeah.
so that's exciting.
I also got this last one, and I think after, well, I guess, oh wow, I have a lot more items in my box than they do in theirs.
So I'm
We're
pretty
all
sure
supposed to have 9. How
Oh,
many do we
I
have?
don't know.
You got
Yeah.
too many. I
Yeah.
am disqualified.
Ow.
Wait, is this
Ow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10?
Oh,
Not disqualified. Not disqualified. Let's see here. After a long workout, you're
I
sweating.
think there's a theme.
You wanna you wanna wipe your face? We have these beautiful natural wipes.
Do not wipe your face with that.
That's you know what, Katie?
You know, Tammy says that toilet paper wins for a family of 4, so you're getting points from Tammy
Yes,
right now.
this is
I'm just
also a
saying Tamara should not
family-friendly
be
box.
spending
Okay,
$50
it's
for
a
a roll of
survival
toilet
box.
paper.
It's a
I don't hate on
family-friendly
this
box.
I love this box.
Yeah.
I
It's great.
love this box. I think it's really great.
I like the theme. I'm into
This
it.
also, how can you live without an air freshener? Sometimes it smells. You spray it like this. No? Okay, good. Okay.
I'm
And
Yeah.
at the end, after we survive, we want to have a little fun.
We do.
Right? And so we have some great fun items. We have a sound machine, right? See that? Applause. Ladies and gentlemen, can we get, look at that. Everyone,
This is
in
great.
case you didn't hear it one more time. Thank you.
You're losing votes right now.
I actually don't know what this is.
It's a wooden pineapple.
Yes.
Everyone needs a wooden pineapple.
You can do so many things. If you think about the wooden pineapple, right? You could use it to hammer. You could serve an onion on it.
Oh my God.
There's a lot of creativity points. Audience, there's a lot of creativity points
there's
here.
a lot.
Yes. This is phenomenal.
And then this is just, you know.
Is that a
It's
puppet?
a hat. It's a hat.
Is it?
It's a
Put
hat.
it on.
I don't think it's a
Visor?
hat.
Is it a bib?
I think it's a hat for you.
Put it on.
Whatever it is,
Wear
it's
it,
lovely.
wear it.
It's lovely.
It's a dog costume.
And then,
Oh,
You know,
boy.
you can't survive life without a little celebration, so every now and then you just got to do one of these.
All right, we got a lot of funny points for Dan's box here.
Yeah.
But what I want to know is what you guys in our house over here, who you guys think are going to win. So I want to hear by round of applause, who do we think is going to win? All right, first up we've got Mike. All right, let's give some love to Katie. Okay, and Dan. Ooh, that's close. All right, let's take a look at what everyone at Facebook is saying.
Yeah,
All right, we've got a lot of cheers for Mike. Sandy Mack says Dan is really funny. Jennifer Price says, I adore Katie. She is a boss, babe. Yes, you are. All right, it's time to reveal who the ultimate box curator is, and Savvy Salesperson goes to Mike! Yes! Okay. You guys are really good sports. All right, let's all come.
We're all winners today.
We're all winners
We're all
today.
winners today.
All right, join me up front
open
here.
Now.
Come on in, Mike. Okay, all right. We want to thank you guys for being such good sports today. You guys are amazing. And thank you for being such incredible leaders to our team. We all really appreciate you. Thank you so much. All right, everyone, that is our show for today. Thank you so much for watching.
And thank you, members. We really appreciate you guys.
We really
You guys
do.
are amazing.
Thank you.
We're so grateful.
Be sure to tune in tomorrow, same time, same place, and we'll see you all then. Bye guys.